What is going on, everyone? Today, a buddy of mine, James from Glass GTO, he's gonna remove my molding. He already started on this. Alright, so James removed all my stuff. He informed me that I need to replace my glass anyway because I have a little crack over there in the middle, like a little chipped. And then my windshield wipers are like scratched my glass. So I wanted to put a new glass since the car is going to get painted. But he stated that if you guys work on your CRX, especially in the old original moldings, there's no way you can save the glass. The glass will break because the metal is really tight in there. Well, at least on mine, it was really tight and was really hunkered down on it. So in a way, I got a new glass, and once the car gets painted, we're going to put all the new moldings and everything. But anyway, guys, that's how you remove your old trim molding. There's no way you can save your glass. If you ever want to, but if you're lucky enough that you have aftermarket, there's a chance that you'll be able to save your glass if you want to save your glass. So anyway, I'm gonna go get it painted, drop it off today.
All right, we are at the paint shop, and I'm just gonna drop it off. As I stated earlier, I'm gonna hopefully they'll finish the car within a couple of weeks or so, and I can't wait to get her back.
This is gonna be the spec on the stuff I don't want it to get painted. Let's take a good look on on the car. This is it, guys. I'm gonna leave the car here for maybe more than a week, and then we're gonna get it painted chalk white from a Porsche color code. There we go.
All right, everyone, thank you again for watching. Until next time, God bless. Please subscribe if you can. Comments down below. I'll catch you in my next video. Thank you, James, for helping me out for my CRX. Until next time, more project to come with the CRX build, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Subscribe. God bless. Bye.